Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you again. Now let's start our lesson. Before starting our lesson, I want to show you some pictures and want you to find difference between them. Okay? So, what is the difference between the first picture? We have the pictures of dogs. Yes, you are right. Small, big. A small dog, a big dog. What about the second picture? Yes, you are right. Big, bigger, and the biggest. So, what's the new theme of the lesson? Have you catch? Yes, degrees of adjectives. You are right. And how many degrees are there in adjective? Okay, comparative and superlative degrees. We have comparative degree and superlative degree. So how can we form them? So we have different types of adjectives. For example, different syllables we have. So for one syllable adjectives, we add the suffix er. We add at the end of the suffix, at the end of the adjective. For example, big, bigger, bigger. Yes, small, smaller. Good job. And if we have an adjective which has two or more syllables, we put the word more before the adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful. Okay, so what about superlative degrees? For superlative degree, we add the suffix "ist" to an adjective which has one syllable. Big, biggest. For two and more adjectives, two and more syllable adjectives, we put the word most before the adjective. For example, the most beautiful. So, dear students, do you understand how we form the adjective of degrees? Okay, I will give you some adjectives and you should form them to the comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, small. Yes, small, smaller, smallest. So, fast. You're right, Jasur. Fast, faster, and fastest. Interesting. Good job, Malika. Interesting, more interesting, and the most interesting. And now, do you see the items, the pictures? Okay? For what we use them? Yes, for traveling. Good job. And who can tell me which one is the fastest? Yes, you're right. A plane is faster than a car. Okay, when we compare two things, we should the word than between them. A plane is faster than a car. Okay, good job. And now we have the text about traveling. Now I will give you them, and you should find the adjectives in the text and put them comparative and superlative degree. So let's start. Time is up, dear students. So who will be first? Yes, Jasur? Okay. List your adjectives. So, okay, interesting, comfortable, quick, long, popular. Good job. So, can you form the comparative degree of the adjective quick? Yes, quicker. Good job. And now, dear students, I will divide you into two groups. And so for the first group, there is three questions. Three questions. You should answer according to the text. Clear? Okay, for the second group, there are three statements, three sentences. You should find them true or false according to the text. Okay? Good job. Let's start. You have 3 minutes to do the task. Okay, let's start. So, dear students, are you ready? Okay. So for first group, can you answer the question? So first question, why do people travel? Why do people travel? Yes, Madina, you are right. It is very interesting to see new places and other towns and countries. Okay, good job. What kind of traveling is described? So, yes, traveling by air, by car, by sea. Okay, for the second group, who can answer me? The first question. People don't like traveling. Is it true or false? False. Good job. People might travel only for business. Yes, it is also false because people may travel either for pleasure or on business. Now, students, we have interesting online game for the adjectives, for the degrees of adjective. And according to the pictures, you should put the correct adjective in the gaps. Clear? Okay, let's start. So, yes, Michael, which one is correct? An elephant is than a mouse. An elephant is than a mouse. Yes, bigger. Okay. So, second, fish are than whales. Which one? Small, more smaller, more small. Yes, smaller. Okay, good job. Next, swans are beautiful. Beautifuler? Yes? Yeah, more beautiful than ducks. Good job. So, turtles are slower than rabbits. You are right. So, students, your homework is to make up story. To make up story about a place where you want to go. Yes, traveling. And in your story, you should of course use the degrees of adjectives. Clear? Okay, goodbye.